Hey everyone, Suman here. Welcome to course on Java. So if you are new to this channel, welcome on board. So let's start with that Java. Java. By name you can understand it is a very popular programming language. Like Java is used to develop your mobile apps, web apps, or we can say desktop apps, games, and much more thing. Okay, so now let's deep dive about the Java. Java is a very popular programming language which was created around 1995. It is owned by like your Oracle, and right now there are 3 billion devices which runs on Java. So where Java is used especially for the Android apps, so we can call it mobile application, desktop application, web application, web server and application server, games you can say, database connection you can say, and much more thing. Like why to use Java? Like there are now some trendy technology which are available in the market, so why we are working on Java? Like Java works on different platforms, like you can use on your Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. Like it is easy to learn and simple to use. We can say that it is open source as well as free. It is secure, we can say, powerful. It has a huge community support, like 10 million of developers are working. Okay, Java is your object-oriented programming language which gives you a clear structure to programs and allows code to reuse it. Java is very close to C++ and C#. If you know C++ or C language, you can easily learn it, but there is no any prerequisite to go through back to the C++ or either C, right? When you are starting your career as a Java developer, you can learn it from scratch. Nothing to worry about that. Okay, these were some of the introduction part of the Java. Let's jump into the syntax part of Java, how we can write Java program. Okay, before writing the syntax, we are not going to show you in this particular video about the installation of Java. We will be seeing the some of the next video of Java. Okay, so right now we are seeing like how to write a Java, right? How to write a Java file. Suppose you have a Java called main.java. So main is nothing but, let me take another pen. Yeah, this main is your file name, and this Java is your extension, right? So I will show you each and everything like by code. Okay, so suppose let me write some of the code, like how to create that. Suppose I have a new file. Let's say I have a new file which is named as main.java. Okay, it's created. I will show you the installation part. This is not rocket science. Okay, first of all I will write public class. Okay, public class main. Why I written main, I will show you everything. Right now I'm writing PVSM, there's a public stat void main string args, and I am writing CISO, right? CISO, when you are in Visual Studio Code, when you write hello world. Okay, just save it, just see run. When you execute this program, you will see in the terminal hello world printed. Okay, now let us discuss one by one. What is this? What is this public class main? What is public static void main, string args, system.out.println, hello world, everything you can see here, right? So let me paste some code here. Okay, got it. Right, here is some of the snippets of the code. Let's see. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside this class. Okay, everything. So in this example, we name the class that's named with starts with the main. Okay, a class would start with an uppercase letter, like here aim. See, uppercase letter. Like Java is your case sensitive. Suppose you have written my class and you have written my class, these two things are different. Okay, so Java is very case sensitive about this. Like in the like in the code we had saved the file main.java. Similar, what is the case? The name of the Java file must the class name, like just match the class name. We had saved main.java. So our class also starting from the capital M, and we are saving the file with the capital M, right? Main.java. When saving the file, save it using the class name and add .java. This is the extension to end the file name. Okay, to end the file name by using the extension to run this program I showed you, just I will show you in my Visual Studio Code, right? But before that, let me explain these examples. So here is the main method. Main method means it is required you to see in every program. Like here is a public stat void main, right? So this main method is nothing but your you will see in every Java program. Any code which is inside the main will be executed. Don't worry about the keywords before and after the main, what is like a string or system.out.println, everything you will know, right? This is this is only the introduction part of the Java tutorial. Okay, just remember every Java program has a class name which must match with your file name, and that program must contain the main method which is here. So in some people who are coming from the C or C++, they will be familiar with the function, okay? So in Java, in place of function, we call it as a method. So now let's see system.out.println, which is called hello world. So in the main method we can use the println, which method to print. This is also a function, println. We call it a Java in a method which is used to print a line which on the screen, like see hello world here printed. Okay, got it? This is the thing. Now this is the curly braces, this curly braces, this curly braces, this curly braces, and this is the curly braces 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so these are the curly braces. This marks the beginning and the end of the block of code. System is a built-in Java that contains useful members like such as your out, your println, okay, which is used we can say that for the print line, like we are printing the hello world. For that we use a short name called the println. Okay, here is the written system.out and println. Just you need to know together about this stuff on the screen. I will show you. See here we have written system.out.println, we got it hello world. Okay, so at the last you are seeing semicolon. This is used to terminate the code, like terminate the line. So this is very useful. It is as you know, Java is a case sensitive as well, and don't miss if otherwise it will give you the compiler error. But in sometimes in Python we don't see like that. Okay, when people are coming from C, either C++ background, they know about this end of the line. Thank you for this video. We will see installation in the next part.